Imagine a world where the challenge of securing a consistent, reliable water supply no longer hinders industrial operations. Welcome to the revolution brought about by YAMI Solar Water Pumps. Our journey begins with the HR0 6, 2 and 3 model, the compact powerhouse designed for small to medium industries. Picture a remote construction site where water is essential for concrete mixing, dust suppression, and worker hydration. This model, with its compact design and single solar panel operation, is the cost-effective solution to these needs. Now, consider the HR1 4, 2 and 3 model, the versatile hero of the industrial water supply. Envision a bustling food processing plant that requires a steady water flow for equipment cleaning and maintaining the highest quality standards. With a head range of 120 to 210 meters and a flow rate of 1.38 cubic meters per hour, this model adapts seamlessly to the industry scale and needs. Next, we have the HR3 and 2 model, the robust supporter for medium to large-scale operations. Think of a manufacturing facility laden with heavy machinery, all of which rely on a consistent water source for cooling systems. With a head range of 60 to 120 meters and a flow rate of 3 cubic meters per hour, this model stands as the ideal solution. Finally, meet the HR5 2 model, the go-to solution for extensive industrial operations. Picture a remote mining operation where a substantial amount of water is crucial for various processes. With a head range of 120 meters and an impressive flow rate of 5.5 cubic meters per hour, this model meets the demands of the most extensive operations. YAMI Solar water pumps are more than just a range of products. They are the embodiment of a reliable, sustainable, and efficient water supply solution tailor-made to address specific industrial challenges. From construction sites to food processing plants, manufacturing facilities, and mining operations, these innovative solutions are designed to optimize industrial processes, reduce operational costs, and contribute to environmental sustainability. With YAMI's unwavering commitment to excellence, industries can rely on these solar water pumps to meet their water supply needs, driving industrial progress towards a more sustainable and efficient future. And that is the power of YAMI Solar Water Pumps, revolutionizing industrial water supply one pump at a time.